About Samishta ma'am's class, her class has a very positive and fun environment. She allows us for one-to-one interaction.
Talking about Samishta ma'am class, so she has been very interactive as well as very supportive throughout the course of our section, especially in all the 3 and 4 subjects that she have taught us. And also, she lets us talk through freely and load and also discuss about the topics freely. And even if it's not connected to the exactly to the subject, she gives us a scope to broaden our ideas and think about it broadly in a great perspective. So she has been a help, a teacher, and as well as a good friend for discussing and curating our thoughts as well as our ideas. Thank you.
I would like to thank Samishta ma'am. Talking about the session, so yes, we have a very engaging and interactive sessions. The environment is very eco-friendly. Thank you.
कि हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जो पहले पढ़ा नहीं वो भी समझ में आ रहा है, और क्लास के असाइड भी बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स वो डिस्कस करती है हमसे कि लाइफ में आगे कैसे बढ़े और अपना टाइम मैनेज कैसे करें, और फिर जब हम किसी प्रॉब्लम में होते हैं तो वो प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व करते हैं। और इंटरेक्टिव क्लास रहती है, सबसे बेस्ट रहता है कि ऑफलाइन मोड में कि इंटरेक्शन होता है क्लास में, वो सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ रहती है। तो समझता मैम की क्लास में वो मुझे बेस्ट लगा।
Mishta ma'am's class is very lively. She is a great teacher, and not just about academic things, but also some life lessons that we connect with her in a way, and that is very important if you are preparing for such a big exam. Like for Samishta ma'am, it is like the approach for the teaching is very thoughtful and very creative. In her own way, she explains very well all the concept. Especially when I have a doubt, she every time clears it at her best level, and that is very thoughtful of her. And I have actually connected like on a deeper level with her. She also understands the student's perspective in life, and that is what is needed to our generation, and that is why we feel connected with her. And she's an amazing teacher and plus amazing person to discuss whether the subject or the life. Thank you so much.
For Samishta ma'am, she makes the class very interactive by showing us maps and images related to the concepts, and she clears the concepts very well that make the concept very easy to understand.